Guys, before I start this session, let me show you the winner from last week.
Yes, I confirm that I received the book. After sharing more than 500 posts on Facebook, they sent it to me. Guys, this is legit. Learn the binagital strategy. It will change your life. And stop losing your deals.
Yeah, so this person just won free access to our binagital strategy book. You can do the same. You can win free access to our book if you can't afford the $140 of course. You can enter the competition, and it's simple. You can comment and share our videos on shows on the groups, Facebook groups that are related to IQ option, and send us the screenshots to our Facebook page, which is in the link in the description below. In the end of the week, we will choose one subscriber and we will give him again the access to our book for free. Only one subscriber. And if you can afford buying the course, you can buy it from the link in the description below, guys. You can learn the strategy and trade the same I'm doing here. You can make profits, avoid losing. We will teach you in the course some tricks, tips, how to manage your money, how to avoid the losing decisions, when to enter the deal, and how to use the indicators I'm using in the binagital strategy. Of course, this strategy is mine. I'm the creator. I'm the only creator. I'm not selling it to you guys. This strategy is owned by the Root Academy. They are the only ones who have the right to sell the course. Their official website is the binagital.com. You can purchase the course from that website. And the strategy is simple. There is three indicators, a simple system to manage your money. Timing. There is some tricks and tips on timing, when to enter, how to predict the movement of every candle. Yeah, a good strategy for you guys. For everybody who using the option trading, that's for you. And yeah, about the withdrawal, I guess yesterday, 15th of January 2021, we made a video on how to withdraw your money. But unfortunately, it was deleted by I guess YouTube or IQ option team. It was reported. I guess I was showing so much information over there. They are against, their policy is against sharing all the information about your account, about the withdrawal and the withdrawal amount. Yeah, it was deleted. I will try to make another video perhaps next month showing you how to withdraw. And this time I will make sure to hide any special informations and make it legal. And I would stop the vocals. I guess like this.